The next letter in the simple process is I, which stands for injecting chemicals on fixtures and surfaces. In this step, we'll apply automatically diluted cleaning chemical to fixtures and surfaces in a low-pressure fan spray. Before we begin, make sure the system has been filled, the chemicals have been set up, and the restroom has been prepared for cleaning. Please refer to the machine prep and setting up the restroom video modules for detailed instructions. To start, unwrap enough pressure hose from the system to reach the far end of the restroom. Next, we'll use the chemical selector valve to turn on the cleaning chemical. For systems equipped with dual chemicals, such as the 1750, 2750, and 2150, turn the valve to select the appropriate cleaning chemical. For systems with single chemical setup, such as the 1250 and OSV50, turn the selector valve to the on position. When your chemical has been turned on, turn on the pump. Now, make your way with the pressure hose to the furthest fixture in the restroom, dropping one coil of hose at a time to prevent tangles. To activate chemical flow, pull the gun spray nozzle out for low pressure and rotate it to the right until you have a pinpoint spray pattern. It will take about 10 to 15 seconds for the chemical to make its way through the hose to the spray gun. So spray into a toilet or drain until you see chemical dispensing through the gun. Once that happens, rotate the nozzle slowly to the left to get a fan spray pattern. Begin applying cleaning solution to the restroom fixtures in a sweeping motion, moving from top to bottom, including the floor and around the fixture. It's best to keep the spray gun triggered fully depressed and move in a flowing motion when injecting chemicals. When the trigger is released, pressure builds up in the spray line, which can cause cleaning chemicals to become aerosolized when the trigger is pulled again. Move from fixture to fixture smoothly and quickly. To apply cleaning chemical to a toilet, use a sweeping motion covering it from the top down. Begin with the toilet chrome or tank and proceed to the top of the seat. Next, apply chemical in a sweeping motion to the underside of the toilet, making sure chemical is applied between the toilet seat and toilet bowl rim. Once chemical has been applied to the entire surface of the toilet, apply chemical to the floor, moving to the next fixture. Be sure to cover the floor with chemical as you move along. The entire injection process for a toilet should take only 7 seconds. To apply cleaning solution to a urinal, spray the fixture in a sweeping motion from top to bottom, beginning with the flush handle and valve stem, and making your way down to the urinal, applying chemical to the inside of the bowl. Continue the sweeping motion, applying chemical to the outside of the urinal, and then spray the floors as you make your way to the next fixture. The entire injection process for a urinal should take 3 seconds. For sinks, use the same sweeping motion as before and spray chemical across the top of the sink and then down and around the base of the sink. The chemical application time for a sink is about 2 seconds. Apply cleaning solution to all of the fixtures in the restroom, as well as the entire surface of the floor. When you get close to the restroom entrance, return to the Kaivac and turn the chemical selector valve to the off position to stop the chemical flow. Then rinse the chemical out of the spray line and onto the floor to make good use of the chemical still in the line. It takes about 10 to 15 seconds to clear the spray line. Always clear the chemical in low pressure mode to avoid aerosolizing cleaning chemicals. When all the fixtures and surfaces in the restroom have been sprayed, we're ready for the next step in the simple process. In the next video module, we'll cover the letter M, which stands for manually brushing the floor.